to say that I love you. Feel that I feel when we get together with God's wonderful people. And when we face all the thrill that I feel when plenty of room in the family. More bright mansions, but they won't pay their cost. 'Cause it takes everything to show the more. It takes your hands and your head and your heart. It's your hand and your knees and your prayers unless you fall. It takes everything to show the more. Hey y'all, today's a very chill day, as you guys can see. Remember the lights that I got from Shein? This is the second light. I just used double-sided tape and stuck it on, and I put it around the vase, and you guys will see the vision in a sec. Okay, so this is the vase for my flowers, but I don't have to put water in these with these flowers because these are dried flowers. They're real flowers, yes, but they dried, so they don't need water. So these are the flowers. Let me turn the light on. Ooh, imagine how nice this is gonna look at in the evening. Man. This is how it's looking so far. I'm not sure if I like this. I'm probably gonna remove these LED lights. They don't work anymore anyway. But that's how it looks so far. And then the other string lights, I know up there it looks shaky. I don't know what it'll do, but I'll figure it out later. But all the lines are going all the way down, and yeah, this looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. Wait, let me put that other light on. Okay, I feel like the lights are clashing, so maybe I'd probably leave the background one on and switch off that one. But oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. I can't wait to see what it looks like in the evening. Wow. Hey guys, wait. It is currently 8 minutes to 3. I'm starting work at 3:30. I need to buy gel. So I went to the shop yesterday, so I could have gotten it, but I didn't think about it. But anyway, yeah, I'm literally just going to work. The whole morning we're cleaning. Sunday is just a day to clean the house, like properly. Like, yeah, during the week we also clean, but like, you know, like proper cleaning on a Sunday. Yeah, that's that day for us. So yeah, and that's all I did in the morning, and now I'm going to work. It honestly doesn't even feel like it's 3. I don't know, I felt like it was not, it feels like it's 6 p.m. or something, but it's only 7 minutes to 3, and it's raining, so I'm gonna ask my mom to drop me off. But yeah, there's nothing else to say, honestly. There's literally nothing else to say. I'm done and I'm ready to go. This is what I did with my hair. It's 9 o'clock and I just clocked out from work and I'm walking because my mom's at the shops, so she'll meet me along the way, but I'll probably get home before she gets me. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I just called my mom and told her not to come because it's such a beautiful evening. Like, look, it's not scary to walk, so I'm just walking home